Hi, I'm Seng. So to show you the inventory management system in FeedMe. So for inventory divided by two types, which is sell by portion or another sell by recipe, which is linked with the ingredient. So in this video, I'll show Coke as an example as a theme and Nasi Lemak as recipe link as an example. Thank you.
So to create the inventory, very simple. First, create the unit of measurement. Let's say like gram, pieces, or can. Then after that, you need to create the ingredient. Then you need to go to the selling product to link with the ingredient. And then last, you need to add inventory in the post device. Log into your FeedMe portal. Then click here and select post. Then go to unit first. Let's say I want to record for my Coke. So I add unit, name as can. Then after that, just click add. Go to ingredient, create, add new ingredient. I put the code, let's say for example, Coke. Then name is Coke. Then I select the unit which is deduct by can. After that, just click add. So it's create. Then go to your product and create the item. Then it's under beverage and the selling price. Let's say I put 2 ringgit. Then I link print to the beverage printer. Okay, so for the inventory, you need to link it. So click here and click on ingredient. Because the Coke is like when you sell one Coke, you will deduct one Coke. So I click link ingredient, I search, or I can select from here Coke. After that, just click submit. So this one means that if I sell one Coke, it will deduct one can of Coke also. After that, just click add. Then just click add. Then go to publish and publish it. Then go to your post system, go to setting, and under operation, go to order. Make sure deduct stock is turned on. Then click here and go to inventory. So from here, you can click adjust, click on the Coke. Let's say I purchased for 50. Then just click save. Then now my Coke have 50 cans. Then when you're taking order, so in beverage it shows that Coke I still have 50 left. So this is the method 1. So for the method 2 is countdown method. So on the item, click and hold. Then update your stock quantity, let's say 50. Then just click update. So when you're taking order, it will deduct. And this method, it didn't affect in inventory at here because there's a 2 method to record your stock. So for the second one is recipe link. So I use Nasi Lemak as example. So let's say I got 200 grams of rice, 1 piece of drumstick, and 20 ml of sambal will be deduct if I sell 1 Nasi Lemak. So same theory apply. First you need to create a unit first. Go to the FeedMe portal, go to the unit. So let's say you got gram, you got ml, and you need to create the pieces as unit. After that, just click add. Then go to ingredient. So in this example, you got 3 ingredients, which is rice, drumstick, and sambal. So I create, add an ingredient. So unit I select gram, click add. Then for the next ingredient, which is drumstick. So in this drumstick, I use pieces. Add. And the third one is sambal. So I use ml. Click add. Then go to a product and link these 3 ingredients. So go to Nasi Lemak. Under inventory, click edit button. Then link ingredient. So I choose rice, drumstick, and sambal. After that, click submit. So in here, when I sell 1 Nasi Lemak, you deduct 200 grams of rice. So I put 200. Then drumstick only 1 pieces and 20 grams of sambal, 20 ml of sambal. After that, just click add and click update. Then the step 4, add inventory for this ingredient in post device. Then don't forget to publish. Then go to post, click on here and inventory. So rice, drumstick, and sambal. Click adjust, tick all this ingredient and add. Let's say the rice I got 1 kg. And then the drumstick, I have 20 pieces. And my sambar, I have produced 800 ml. After just click save. So show like this. Then when you're taking order, it shows the maximum quantity that you can order. The reason why you can order 5 is because my rice inventory got 1 kg and order for 1 portion. That's why there's 800 gram available and you are allowed to sell another 4 nasi lemak. For example, if you order for 200 plus and send it to kitchen already, but if customer cancel, then you can select on the item and click void. Then you need to key in your password. So let's say for example, if the 100 plus still able to sell in next order, then return stock you can turn on, which means that this 100 plus are returned back to your inventory. If I click void, then it added back already. So for the reporting side, you can go to the portal, click on the report, select our inventory. From there, you can check on the inventory adjustment. You can choose to download as Excel or PDF. Furthermore, in the post device, user can click on inventory, click on the item, and check on the history also. So can select on the date. That's all for today. Thank you.
So, cari post system, cari Aseng.
Find Guinness Phone, find Aseng.
Aseng.
找 post system 找 Seng